this is Lady T ZCD coming back at you with a quick video. Now this is really a quick video. I want to come in here real quick. I'm getting ready to start my dinner and I had to stop. I went over to my daughter's house and on the way back I needed to pick up some dish soap or dish liquid for the dishes. And so I said, let me just stop at I'm so tired. You know, I had to wait on the cable guy to come over there with her, and just, you know, there's a lot going on as she moved into her apartment. So I said, let me just stop in Dollar Tree. So I watch a lot of Dollar Tree videos, and a lot of you guys are out there using Dollar Tree food or different little items to make quick meals. Now for me, I never shopped at Dollar Tree for food, but I said, what the heck, let me just try something. Let me just get a couple of items and just see how it tastes and challenge myself. Because some of these meals you guys are making with the Dollar Tree items look fantastic. So tonight I just wanted to do a quick spaghetti meal for my husband and I. It's just he and I now. And I can't believe I'm saying it, y'all. That's him and I. And so I said, let me just do a quick meal. And I was out of, I'm doing spaghetti, real quick spaghetti meal. One pot deal, one pot, you're done. And so I said, you know what, I'm out of noodles. I'm out of spaghetti noodles. Why not try to pick up a pack? So I got some spaghetti noodles. Dollar Tree, look like the same, you know, type of noodles in the store to me. Nothing, you know, nothing any different. Dollar Tree thin spaghetti. Now I know that you've seen this brand in the, you know, the large change of a grocery store. So I picked up a can of this Rotel to put in my spaghetti sauce. And I already have spaghetti sauce already. Out of Parmesan cheese. They had this particular brand for $1. Why not? And those are the 3 items that I picked up that I thought I would need additionally to make the spaghetti meal. So I already had mushrooms. Of course, y'all know mushrooms. They came from Kroger. I already had mushroom and my ground turkey. I already had that thrown out. And I just had my mixed onions just upside down because they've been opened the wrong way. Pepper and onions mixed, blended. So that's a quick meal. It won't take no more than a couple of minutes, 10 minutes at the most. Make sure the meat is ground. And I got my water boiling right now. So that's gonna be my quick meal. My challenge to just try these 3 items. One pot meal. And try and see how it's gonna turn out. Dollar Tree items. And like I said, I have never bought Dollar Tree food. I try to stick with a name brand that I've seen in you know, in the Kroger's or Aldi's or, you know, any other type of grocery store. And so I'm gonna give it a shot. So I will come back in and let you guys know how it tastes and review and everything. Don't really like cooking on you know, on the camera, but you know, maybe next time I'll be more prepared and everything, and that y'all just actually see me cook the meal. But I was just trying to see if anybody else out there ever tried to, you know, purchase a couple of things along with what they already had at home and make a meal from Dollar Tree. All right, thank you guys for watching this really quick. Don't have a lot to say. I'm gonna come back in another time and do a haul. I believe the next thing I'm gonna do is a haul. I have 2 empty rooms. Well, not empty room. I have 1 empty room now that I have to redo now, or my husband is gonna take it back and make it his office. So that's gonna be his office now. He's already moved in and did some stuff as his own, but you know, ladies, I have to go in and do my little touch to make sure it's, you know, looks nice and everything. So it's a just for now look right now, but I like to go in and do a little touch up too as well. And I'm gonna do some things. I'm looking for a desk now for my diva space in my office. I want to make a little office, a little stationary area for me to work and do some things on. So I'm looking for a desk. It does not have to be from a retail store. I might do a Goodwill treasure find if I'm lucky. Because right now I went to I looked in Tuesday morning and then see, you know, anything there. I like the ones that I saw, however, I couldn't use it because those particular tables had another part at the bottom where I can't actually sit up under. And so I said, no, I don't want to, you know, purchase that where I can't comfortably have the desk slide over me or I slide up under it. So I said, no, that's not what I want. But I'm still looking. I may just do a Goodwill run. I like to do DIYs and refinish something and just for my purpose of what I'm trying to do. But that's it, y'all. Jumped in real quick. Thank you guys for watching this quick video. This is Lady TZCD, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Please comment below, thumbs up, hit that notification bell if you have not. I would love to have you as a subscriber, and I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye-bye.